Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll teach you how to change eye colors in Photoshop. There are two main ways to go through with this. The first one is by adding hue and saturation layers, and the second is by masking another eye onto your subject. Let's start by adding a hue and saturation adjustment layer. Tick colorize and move the slider to any color you want. And yes, you can change the color later, so no worries. Next, select the mask and hit Ctrl-I to invert the mask. Now just select a soft round brush and make sure white is your foreground color, and just draw on the iris of the eye. And as you can see, the iris is now a darker shade of blue. Let's go ahead and change the color so we can see if we've made any mistakes. There we go. That's easily fixable. Just make black your foreground color and brush over the parts you want to hide. There we go. Doesn't even look like it's edited. For this, I've got an image of a Sharingan eye, which I'm gonna mask onto this person. We are gonna have to resize this to fit her, and the easiest way to do this is by decreasing the opacity to about 60% and resize it, so the irises lie exactly on top of each other. Now add a layer mask. Make sure foreground color is black and mask out everything except the iris. If you look carefully, her eye is partly closed, so we need to make sure to mask out the covered part. Take a step back, and perfect. For the other eye, just hold Alt and drag the eye. Boom! Now you can bring up the opacity again, but I think this looks good, so I'll leave it as it is. Let's do one more. Place the eye, mask out everything except the iris. Alt and drag, boom. There we have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to follow us on the socials. Peace out.